Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. I will show you how to fix the Steam missing file privileges error on download. So let's get started. First, completely close Steam. Over here, click Steam in the top left corner and select Exit. Then open Steam again as an administrator. After that, right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Over here, check if the error has been fixed. Then, if the error still appears, click Steam and select Settings. After that, go to the Storage section. Over here, click the three dots next to your Steam library. Then, select Repair Library. After that, wait for the repair process to finish, then click Close. Over here, try launching or updating the game again. Then, if the error still appears, go to the Download section in Settings. After that, click Clear Download Cache. Over here, click Confirm and let Steam restart. Then, wait for Steam to finish clearing the cache. And that wraps it up. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.